It is the end of the week, and I'm here to do a quick review of Habby FX Signals. This week, Habby FX posted couples of signals, and I took all the trade. I used a consistent lot size of 0.1 lot for all the trade, and Habby FX trade just go. I took all the trade for this week, and the first day I took the trade, I had about 0% win rate. And I ended up in loss, though I did a mistake with the lot size. I used 0.5 lot size, of which I'm not supposed to use, but then I had to correct it. So now I've been able to take copies of trade, and I want to quickly show you guys the win rates for last week. So I'll quickly log into my trading journal to show you guys how the trade looked like. I'll show you his win rates, his risk to reward, profit factors, and basically everything related to his trade for last week. So let's do it. Now this is my trading journal. I'll just quickly log in. So I'm currently in my trading journal, TradeTech. I use TradeTech to journal my trade. This is a profile for Habby FX. You can see it, Habby FX. His P&L for this week is minus 93. So I ended the week with minus 93. His win rate is 66.7. This means he win more than his losses. So we took couples of wins that are more than his losses. And then his profit factor is 0.81. Then let's look at this. His 4 days trades. So I made about $252 consecutively. So this happened 4 days back to back, and $252. And then his TradeTech score is 57.14, which is actually not bad. I mean, it's above average, so it's not bad. Then let's look at his equity curve. So you can see the equity curve. It goes up, come down, and currently now it's at its highest. And then we have the cumulative P&L, which is also almost same with the equity curve. And his daily net P&L, you can see the first day I had a loss of about $341.97. On this day, I did a mistake with the lot size, so I had to correct it on the previous day. So for the previous day, I just used 0.1. So for all the trade I'll be taking, I'll be using a consistent lot size of 0.1 lot size. On the 2nd of June, I made $106.43. On the 3rd of June, I made $80.23. On the 4th of June, it was a break-even day. On the 5th of June, I made $65.94. And then let's look at his performance insight. So the performance insight is a smart analysis for trading performance. So you can see here is he has a win rate of 66.7% for the week, which is actually not bad. I mean, it's above average. And you can see you are consistently profitable. Profit factor 0.1. Focus on improving your risk reward. So I really love this part of TradeTech because it gives a smart analysis of the trade, which is actually good. It helps improve. It shows the weakness in your trade, and it also shows the positive side of your trade. So I think it's very, very good for traders to see this, because it also helps you improve, help you detect what is probably wrong with your trading, and all those good stuff. So yeah, it's really a good feature on TradeTech. So now let's quickly look at reports, and then let's see what we have here. So overview, 93.25, frame rate 66.7. I mean, and then its average win is $100. Its average loss is $247.49. Largest win 149.12. Largest loss 344.97. And time analysis, average hold time 1 hour 39 minutes. Average hold time for winners 1 hour 30 minutes. For losers 1 hour 59 minutes. And then winning trade, he had about 4 winning trade, losing trade 2, and then break even 0. Now let's look at his performance. Let's say, okay, I think we have seen this. Let's look at his risk analysis. So you can see his risk to reward is 0.41, meaning if you are risking 1%, you are getting 0.41. I mean, in order to become profitable with this type of risk management, then you need to have like a very, high win rates of about, let's say, 90% or 95%. So I think this is, quite risky in the long run. This is quite risky. Then the maximum drawdown we have here is 0. Now let's look at its progress for last week. I'm just going to do like this and then click on progress tracker. So I also love this feature here. Progress tracker is basically just, show you your progress, your trading progress. So we have this best trade for the week is $149. And then his worst trade is $345. So the worst trade was taken during May, and then the other trade was during June, which is this month. And yeah, that's basically it. There are other features here, like the journals, get to, see the trades here. So all these trades, I actually imputed them manually on TradeTech. So we have about 6 trades in total. You can see 4 wins and 2 losses. Win rate 66.7. So this is the first week, trading Habby FX Signals. Ended the week with 66.7% win rate. I'm actually concerned about his win rate and risk to reward because I feel like they are the most important thing, you need to consider as a trader. So he ended the week with 66.7% win rate. I really can't wait to see how next week would be like trading with Habby Forex. So I'm really looking forward to see how next week would be like. So bye for now.